أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So we are discussing the rules of mad in the past two videos. In the first video we saw what is mad badal, iwad, sughra and kubra. In the second video we saw what is muttasil, munfasil and lazim. If you have not checked those videos, please go there, it makes sense. I have not taken it in the order, but how easy they are, from the easiest one to a bit tougher one. Okay, so please check those videos out and please come back to complete all the mads. These are the only 9 types of mad you'll be finding. Inshallah ta'ala, they are gonna be very easy. Okay, today's mad are again last two, and that is nothing but mad leen and we have madd arid. Okay, madd leen and madd arid. So please do not get confused. You have huruf leen and there is a madd leen. Okay, what happens, what is the slight difference that you have got to learn? Let us see. So basically telling what are these mad means. When a word is there, I need you to please listen this carefully. A word is there and it has got ya leen or wow leen in it. Okay, and if you are ending that word, then it will have madd leen in it. Okay, inshallah ta'ala, when I'm explaining with the examples it makes sense, hopefully, inshallah. So what is madd arid now? Madd arid is when you're stopping a word that has got alif, waw or ya madda in it. Okay, madd leen is when you're stopping a word that has got waw and ya leen, and madd arid is the word that you're stopping and that has got alif, waw or ya madda. Okay, for example, now you are having deen. Okay, deen. Now when you're reading this, maybe you will read and extend it just for 2 counts, deeni, deenillahi, etc. Okay, now that is just 2 counts. When the same word, when you're stopping, maybe because of the waqf rules, stopping rules, or maybe because you're out of the breath and you're stopping for some reason, what do? You now don't give only 2 counts of elongation here, rather you'll extend and you will read it as the. You extended, it was like 3 to 5 counts. Why is that? Because of the mad there. Okay, now this ya madda or maddul asli became maddul arid. Okay, ya madda became maddul arid. So what you can just tell is maddul arid is like a big sister of alif mad, ya mad or waw madda. Okay, when you're reading it continuously you just give 2 counts, but when you're stopping the mad letter, then you will extend it for 3 to 5 count. Okay, for example, kabir was there and kabirin, and you're reading it, you'll just read it for 2 counts, but the same word when you're ending, it will be kabir, you extended. Okay, bismillahir rahmanir rahimi, and you're reading continuously, just giving rahimi 2 counts, but the same rahim when you're ending, you'll end it with 3 to 5 counts, like rahim. Yes, same goes for leen. If you are ending the word with leen, yes, for example, you can tell laisa was there, laisa lahum, and you're going laisa. For leen there is no extension at all, right? For madda you have extension, but for leen you don't have extension, laisa allahu, and you're going. But the same word when you're ending, when you're stopping, what do? You will end with the elongation of 3 to 5 counts, lais. Yes, now that is maddul leen. The mad because of the leen letter is called as maddul leen. The mad because of huruf madda letters is called as madd arid. Okay, I repeat, mad because of leen, waw leen and ya leen is called as maddul leen, and the mad because of alif, waw and ya madda is called as madd arid. Okay, how to identify? Are there any rules? First of all, let me tell you few of the rules you have got to taken care. First thing is, as we all know, you must end them. Okay, these rule comes whenever you're ending. When you're continuously reading, you will not get maddul arid or maddul leen. Maddul leen and arid comes whenever you're ending. So that's the first thing. You must end, then only you'll get it. Second thing, these two rules will give you 3 to 5 counts of elongation. Okay, both are giving you tawassut elongation. Okay, done. Third thing, this is specifically for maddul arid. You have got to have alif, waw or ya madda in it. Fourth thing is, alif, waw, ya madda's position should be from last but second, not at the last. For example, it is like qa la. Qala is there and you're ending. It will be qal. Since alif madda was in the second last position. Last mein lam hai. Second last you have got alif madda. But if you imagine you have alif madda at the end or at the very beginning, okay, what will happen? Will you get this same madda? No, you won't get. For example, hasada. Okay, hasada. You have ha, alif madda, but it is not at the second position. Are you going to extend because you're stopping? Will you do hasad? No, you won't. All the concentration comes at the last word. That is why whenever you're having alif madda, waw madda, ya leen for maddul arid or maddul leen, it should be at the second last position. Okay, so let me repeat. The mad leen and the mad arid you will get whenever you're ending. Second thing, both of you gives you 3 to 5 counts of elongation. Third thing, this is specially for maddul arid. You must have alif, waw or ya madda in that word. Fourth thing, where is the position? It should be at the second last. This is the position, not the last but the second last position. And also the fifth and very important rule, if you can see the chart, I have written one sukoon there, right? For muttasil, munfasil, kubra, I have written hamza, and for lazim, leen and arid, I have written sukoon. If you don't know what chart I'm talking about, you must go back and see that chart that I made to write all the 9 types. Okay, so what is that? This rule comes whenever you're ending with sukoon. Okay, as I have written qala, I wrote, right? Qala, and you're ending. Okay, you will get maddul arid here, qal, because of first, second, third and fourth rule all are followed. If imagine here lam alif was there, now how are you going to end that? You will end it as qala. Same. Are you going to extend this? No. As said, you must end the last word, last letter with sukoon. If you are not ending with the sukoon, again all the concentration comes here. Now this is not so important. You don't end it as qala. You don't do that. Okay, all the concentration comes to the last word and it is not so important. No maddul arid or no maddul leen is gonna come. Okay, so what is the fifth point? You must end that particular word with sukoon only. Okay, now this was for maddul arid. This was for maddul arid. What happens for leen? It is exactly the same, but only the point 3 changes. That means first you must end the word, the sentence, the ayah, then only maddul leen will come. It will give you exactly 3 to 5 counts of elongation. Good. What is the third point? You will not have alif, waw and ya madda, but rather the word that you're ending will have waw leen and ya leen. Okay, and rest everything is same. Where should be the position? It should be, yes, at the second last mein nahi, but the letter behind it. Fifth one again, it should also end with sukoon. This is for maddul leen. Okay, let us see few examples. Okay, so if you can see, first you have deen. Okay, you're ending deen. Yatim. You're extending for 3 to 5 counts. You're giving there. You must not end it like deen, yatim, musallin, miskin, sahun. No, extend a bit. Musallin, sahun. You're ending. Okay. Okay, let us go for the next one. Okay, here you go with madd-3. Why? Because if you see here, second last position, you have mad, ya leen and wow leen, right? Then what mad comes because of leen? Yes, maddul leen. Because of alif, waw and ya madda, you will get maddul arid. Now because of all these ya leen and waw leen, you are going to get maddul leen. That will be not Quraish, Saif, Bait, Qaf. Rather, you will extend Quraish, والصيف, Bait, Khawf. So here we are ending at the ayah, but wherever you are ending on your own in between any word, then also the same rules. Okay, hopefully you have understood this video. These are all the 9 types of maddas. The biggest are lazim and muttasil with 6 counts. Smallest are badal, iwad and sughra, and the intermediate are the rest. Alhamdulillah. Hopefully you have understood this. Inshallah ta'ala, we will meet in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.